I've chosen water scarcity and drought because at the time of choosing it, there is a drought in parts of New South Wales. This is a current issue in New South Wales. Drought can affect the production of food in dramatic ways. It can vary from animals starving to crops dying. Both these issues can be devastating if they are taken to the extreme level. If there are food shortages, that could mean that the rest of the working population may have trouble working because they are hungry. At the current time, the New South Wales government has declared 100% of the state in drought. The size of New South Wales is 809,444 kilometres squared. It is located on the east coast of Australia and stretches inland towards South Australia. To its north there is Queensland and to the south Victoria. There are various flora and fauna that are native to this state. A very iconic plant in this state is the waratah. It is the state's national flower. It is a red bush flower that can be found in Sydney, close mountain ranges, and the south coast. A common ringtail possum is a native animal to New South Wales. It is found in forests, woodland, and gardens across eastern New South Wales. There have been multiple environmental factors that would challenge food production during the New South Wales drought. These would include malnourished crops and animals, and that would be harder to grow certain crops. All living things need water to survive. If the crops are not if the crops are not receiving enough water, they will not grow enough or they could die. This would be very bad as the farmers would not be able to sell their product. Social factors that may arise when faced with a drought may be isolation. This can be a problem for many reasons. If there's an injury, they would need to be flown in, but there could still be positives to this because farmers will unite to help each other to make sure everyone gets fed. Economic factors that will arise are farmers not making money because they are not selling their crops. There is an argument that the government should help these people affected. There are also many individual contributions these to these people from independent organisations. A prime example of this is the AFL. Mason Cox, an American AFL player for the Collingwood Football Club, auctioned off a pair of boots that he wore, with all donations going to farmers. Another example that the AFL have done is in round 23 at the Sydney vs Hawthorn game. It is the footy for drought relief. Both teams will be auctioning off all game jerseys, with all money raised going to the farmers.